In this tutorial, I really want to show you the power behind fully utilizing your tagging and filtering options when it comes to your email blasts. Now, just to preface a few things before I get going, this tutorial I will be focusing on really this first step here, the recipients. I won't be going into any detail regarding the content of the email or to finish it. They're pretty self-explanatory as far as the content that you want to send and finish to draft or schedule to broadcast, to actually send out the email itself. So what I really want to focus on is this first step here, the recipients, who you are going to target. Now, the preface behind using the tags and the filters is exactly the same as you would use it in your marketing funnels or your courses. But I really want to get across the power behind segmenting your email list and targeting specific groups for whatever it is that you're wanting to target. So I'm going to give the example. We all come from different walks of life. I'm going to give the example of a sales approach. So I'm a teacher and I've got a number of students who have enrolled in certain courses. They have purchased from me in the past when I've done certain promos. Could be a Black Friday promo or an Easter special or a Christmas Day special. So I really want to focus those who have been engaged and who have purchased from me in the past. So here I am on the broadcasting section of your admin side. I've just set up the first bit here. Title is Test Martin. It's from me and my email address. And the recipients are who will receive this broadcast. Okay, so this is initially going to be going out to my email list, which is called Test. Yours would be called whatever it is, whatever your course is named, probably. So then I'm going to go to the advanced filter, and again I'm going to keep this pretty straightforward, but really trying to give you an overview and a kind of an in and around concept of what you can do here. So I'm going to add my first filter group. I'm going to call this my top team. Okay, so these are all folks who have purchased from me in the past and have been engaged in my courses. So I want to, and again, you could do people who've enrolled, not enrolled, completed course, not completed course, subscribed, unsubscribed. There's a positive and a negative to everything, all of these particular sections. So I'm going to go with folks who have completed my course, and for the sake of convenience, I'm just going to use a Lego course. Super, I'm going to add another filter. And I'm going to say completed course, and they've completed a course, Learn to Cook with Martin. Good on them. I'm going to add another filter, and I'm going to say email opened. Okay, so these guys have also opened the thank you email from my drip sequence. Okay, this isn't necessarily the approach you would take, but again, conceptually, just giving you the options here. So I want to target those within my email list Test, who have completed the Build Lego course, who have completed the Learn to Cook course, and have emailed, have opened the thank you again email. Okay, and you'll see underneath all of these, it says and. Okay, so Build and Learn to Cook and thank you again. And I'm going to save that. And now I'm going to go into my second filter group, and this is going to be geared towards tagging. So I'm going to call this one coupons. So again, you'll see this is going to match all the following. So this filter group and this filter group. So I'm actually going to be changing this to any, but I'll explain why in a minute. So the coupons, and I'm going to add the filter, and I'm going to say user tag contains, let's say Easter Friday, let's say Easter deal. And I'm going to set another one. So again, I'm going to go with user tag. I'm just using this really straightforward. And I'm going to say Black Friday. And of course, then you can add a filter, and you could do whatever you want. So you can go down to all sorts of things. You could say user tag doesn't contain. You can do it however you want to. I'm just simply showing you conceptually what you can do here. So I'm going to save this. In fact, I'm going to go back to edit, and I'm going to change the matching to any. And the reason why is by having any, it's saying that I want to target the user tag that is Easter deal or Black Friday. Okay, and you see the or here. If I was to keep it on all, then it would be I want to target those who have utilized my Easter deal in the past and my Black Friday. So double bubble in that respect, but I want them to be targeting either or. Okay, so then I would save that. So now what I've done is I've set up a test email, but I'm going to be targeting those in my list. I could have 100, 10,000, doesn't matter, but I'm going to be targeting those who have completed 2 of my courses and have opened a specific email, as well as those who have utilized my coupons in the past for the Easter deal or the Black Friday. Okay, so I could be targeting those specific people with another promo, with another offer, with another upsell, for some feedback based on the course or the deal that I got before for the Easter deal. It could be regarding anything. So this is really the power behind being able to leverage specific targets within your email list. Okay, so I'm not going to show you different examples now. What I would suggest is for you to maybe set up an email list. So I go in here, setting up your own email list, maybe adding 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different emails and emailing them, and maybe utilizing the different filters and tags here, just to make sure you understand it fully. But that really is just a snippet of the power behind being able to tag it and filter to your specific lists.